fifth question. Fifth question. Please put a star mark on this question. Reminder 1. 7 power 33 power 39 divided by 5. 7 power 33 power 39 divided by 5. What is the remainder? Very, very good question. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. As many probably 3 to 5 questions which we will solve so that you will understand step by step. Step number 1. Step number 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Remaining it is nothing but 2. 2 power 33 power 39 divided by 5. This is of the model where numerator power x power y greater than denominator, where numerator is greater than denominator, where numerator is greater than denominator. If numerator is greater than denominator, first make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. 2 power 33 power 39 divided by 5. Step number 1. Step number 2. Listen carefully, sir. Step number 2. After doing step number 1, the question is of the form 2 power something divided by 5. 2 power something divided by 5. Check which power of 2. Check which power of 2. When divided by 5. When divided by 5, I will get plus 1. I will get plus 1. You can also do minus 1, but one more additional step is required to check the power of minus 1. Which power of 2? When you divide by 5, I will get plus 1. 2 power 4 divided by 5, I will get plus 1. Step number 3. Take this power, divide by the power which you got 1. So if I divide the power which is there in the question, 33 power 39 by the power which has given me 1. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Remainder it is 1. That means 33 power 39. It is getting divided by 4. Quotient we don't know. Remainder it is nothing but 1. Remainder it is nothing but 1. Yesterday we discussed dividend equivalent to 33 power 39 equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What we are doing is we are finding if this power is divided by 4, what will be the remainder? Whether it is 1, 2, 3 or so on. So 33 power 39 when divided by 4, remainder it is nothing but 1. Remainder it is nothing but 1. So these nothing but remainder 33 power 39 is of the form 2 power 4k plus 1 when divided by 5. Divided by 5. This is nothing but 2 power 4 power k into 2 power 1 divided by 5. 16 divided by 5. Remainder 1. 1 into 2. Answer is nothing but 2. 1 into 2. Answer is nothing but 2. So again I am repeating, sir. This is a foundation based problem on a level 2 model. Listen carefully. 5 ones are 5. Remainder it is 2. 2 power 33 power 39 divided by 5. First, this is the first step. Second step. 2 power which number when divided by 5, I will get 1. Please do not take minus 1. I will take a question by taking minus 1. One more additional step is required. Why to waste one more additional space and time? 2 power 4 divided by 5. Take the power which is required, divide by the power for which you got 1. Divide by the power which you got 1. 33 power 39 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32, remainder 1. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus Reminder. I hope fifth question, it is clear. Sixth question. Fifth, as many questions as possible, we will solve it in our class. Sixth question. Reminder 1. 32 power 32 power 32. 32 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. 32 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. Fifth question is the foundation problem. From foundation, we'll keep on solving few more problems so that we'll understand it step by step. Step number 1. If the numerator base is greater than the denominator, first reduce. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Remainder, it is 4. 4 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. Make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. Step number 2. Step number 2. Find out which power of 4. Find out which power of 4 when divided by 7. I will get plus 1. 4 square divided by 7, 2. 4 cube, 64 divided by 7. 6 7 9s are 63. Reminder, it is nothing but 1. We have to find out which power of the numerator. When you divide by 7, I'll get plus 1. Step number 3. Step number 3. Divide this with this. Divide the power you require by the power which has given you plus 1. 32 power 32 divided by 3. 32 power 32 divided by 3. 3 11s are 33. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power even. Minus 1 power even, it is nothing but plus 1. Minus 1 power even, it is nothing but plus 1. So 32 power 32. This is the dividend. It is divided by 3. Quotient I don't know, but the remainder, it is nothing but 1. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient. 32 power 32 is divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means 32 power 32. When you divide by 3, what is the form? It is the 3k plus 1. 4 power 3k plus 1 divided by 7. 4 power 3k plus 1 divided by 7. Now you got the answer. It is nothing but 4 power 3 power k into 4 power 1 divided by 7. 64 by 7, 1. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. First we did it for the first power, then we are raising from the power to the power. Then I will do it for an infinite. Then I will do it for an infinite. I hope the idea it is clear. 7 4s are 28. Remaining it is 4 power 32 power 32. The entire problem can be solved if you are able to find out which power of 4. If you are able to find out which power of 4, when you divide by 7, you will get plus 1. Anil sir, why we should take plus 1? Can't we take minus 1? That also will give you the answer. Let me take another question to tell you. Instead of plus 1, if you take minus 1, whether the answer changes? Answer will not change. Please take the 7th question. I hope the 6th question is clear. For all the students who are a serious and a sincere competitive examination aspirant, who want to clear the exam in first attempt, who does not have time for a nonsense activities, giving attention to something which creates a distraction for me, for that kind of students, these classes are a must attend classes. Do remember, my dear friends, time will not wait for anybody. Today's hard work will result in tomorrow's success, and tomorrow's failure is nothing but today's short-term temptations and short-term distractions. I hope it is clear. Let me see the chart. If any questions are there, then we'll discuss. Right? Why 32 divided by 3? I want to know these from Ashok, I want to know what is the form of this number when you divide by 3. Any number when you divide by 3, either it will be perfectly divisible by 3 or gives a remainder 1 or gives a remainder 2. So I want to know 32 power 32. What is the form of this number? Next one. Sixth question. Seventh one. Sir, what will happen if I take minus 1? That also we will see. Remainder 1. 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 7. Then we will do minus 1. One more example question. One more example question. 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 7. Step number 1. Just to go step by step, sir. If the numerator base is greater than the denominator, 7 ones are 7. Remaining it is 4 power 11 power 11 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Remaining it is 4. Step number 2. Which power of 4? Which power of 4? When I divide by 7, I will get plus 1. 4 cube. 64. 7 nines are 63. Positive remainder it is 1. In the next problem, I will take minus 1. Step number 3. Once you got 1, then the logics are very easy. Take this power. Divide by this power. Take this power. These are nothing but 11 power 11 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Negative remainder it is minus 1. 3 fours are 12. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder will be 3 minus 1 2. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I hope step number 3. Already it is the third problem where we are doing it step by step. 7 ones are 7. 4 power 11 power 11. 4 power 3 divided by 7 it is 1. 11 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder 2. What is the form of 11 power 11? 3k plus 2. So these are nothing but 4 power 3k plus 2. 4 power 3k plus 2 divided by 7. So these are nothing but a remainder 4 power 3 power k into 4 square divided by 7. 4 power 3 is 64. 64 divided by 7. 1. 16 by 7. 7 twos are 14. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Step number 1, first make the numerator base value smaller than the denominator. 7 ones are 7. Remainder it is 4. The entire question you can solve it easily if you are able to determine which power of 4 when divided by 7 it is 1. 4 cube divided by 7. 4 cube it is 64. 64 divided by 7 it is nothing but 1. Sir, can't I take minus 1? Eighth question also we will see it. Eighth one. 11 power 11 power 11. 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. This problem is a very important problem for us to understand. Even if I take minus 1, will the answer change? Answer will not change. Let us do it in two methods. Method number 1. Positive remainder. Method number 1. Positive remainder. Then second step method, I will do negative remainder. What is step number 1? Step number 1 is make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. 9 ones are 9, which is 2 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. 2 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Which power of 2? Which power of 2 when divided by 9? Which power of 2 when divided by 9? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 2 cube divided by 9. 2 cube it is 8. 9 ones are 9. Negative remainder is minus 1. So 2 power 6 is 64. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder it is 1. Positive remainder 64 divided by 9, which is nothing but 1. 2 power 6 divided by 9, it is nothing but 1. Step number 3. Step number 3. Divide this power by this power. If I divide it, these are nothing but 11 power 11 divided by 6. 11 power 11 divided by 6. 6 twos are 12 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd number, which is nothing but minus 1. If there is a negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. Add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. 11 power 11 dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So these are nothing but remainder 1. 2 power 6k plus 5. 2 power 6k plus 5 divided by 9. 2 power 6k can be written as 2 power 6 power k into 2 power 5 divided by 9. Divided by 9. These 1. 32 divided by 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. Positive remainder, it is nothing but 5. 11 power 11 divided by 9. What is step number 1? Step number 1 is make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. It is nothing but 2 power 11 divided by 9. 2 power 11 divided by 9. Step number 2. What I will do is, I will take negative remainder and I will prove it to you that both the cases answer will be same. Method number 2. Method 2. Method 2 will be negative remainder. If I use a negative remainder, still the answer will not change. Why it will not change, we will see. 11 power 11 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Positive remainder it is 2. So which power of 2 when you divide by 9, I will get minus 1. 2 cube divided by 9. 8 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Negative remainder is minus 1. Negative remainder is minus 1. Step number 3. Step number 3. Listen carefully, sir. Step number 3. Divide this power by this power. Let me see what will happen if I take minus 1. 11 power 11 divided by 3. So these are nothing but 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. If the negative remainder is minus 1, positive remainder will be 2. So dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 11 power 11 is nothing but 3k plus 2. I hope till here the idea it is clear. In all the previous problems I took plus 1. Now I am taking minus 1. 2 cube divided by 9. 8 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Negative remainder is minus 1. 11 power 11 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder it is 2. So 11 power 11 is nothing but 3k plus 2. So these are nothing but, now here these 11 is an odd number. Odd number power any number, it is an odd number. 2, it is an even number. 2, it is an even number. Odd number, this is an odd number. This is an odd number. Suppose if I take K as an even number into odd number, even number into odd number, it will be an even number, even plus even plus even, it will be even, but the left hand side is odd, therefore K has to be an odd number. This is the extra step which you need to do whenever you are doing minus 1. 11 power 11 is 3K plus 2. 11 is an odd number, 2 is an even number, odd minus even, it will be an odd number, 3K will be an odd number, 3 into K will be an odd number, 3 is an odd number into something will be an odd number, that something has to be an odd number, that something has to be odd number, that something has to be an odd number. So these are nothing but remainder of 11 power 11 is 2 power 3K plus 2. 2 power 3K plus 2 divided by 9. So these are nothing but remainder of 2 power 3 power K into 2 square divided by 9 into 2 square divided by 9. Now see here, 8 divided by 9 minus 1. K is nothing but an odd number into 4. Minus 1 into 4, which is minus 4. Positive remainder is nothing but 5. Positive remainder is nothing but 5. The only difference between a negative remainder approach and a positive remainder approach is, in a negative remainder problems, we need to find the value of K. We need to find the value of K. We need to find the value of K. So 9 ones are 9, 2 power 11 divided by 9, 2 power 3 divided by 9, 8 by 9, 9 ones are 9, negative remainder, it is minus 1. So 11 power 11 divided by 3, 3 fours are 12, minus 1 power odd is minus 1, positive remainder it is 2. 11 power 11 is 3K plus 2. 11 is an odd number, 2 is an even number. Odd minus even, it will be an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Odd number into something will be an odd number. That K value will be an odd number. Only thing is finding out whether K is an odd number and an even number. This step is extra. To avoid these steps, because 1 power any natural number, it is 1. Suppose if you take minus 1 power odd number, it is minus 1. Minus 1 power even number, it is plus 1. Minus 1 power even number, it is plus 1. For minus 1, there are two answers. Either if the power is an odd number, I will get minus 1. If the power is an even number, I will get plus 1. So to avoid two different values, I will always take 1 power any natural number, it is 1. 1 power any natural number, it is 1. I hope power to power, how to solve the problems, I hope this concept is clear to you. This concept is clear to you. Already we did this problem. In case if you want me to solve, 7 fours are 28, remaining it is 4 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. 7 fours are 28. Remainder it is nothing but 4. Which power of 4 when divided by 7? I will get plus 1. 4 cube divided by 7. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63, remainder 1. So divide the power with the power which you got 1. 32 power 32 divided by 3. 3 11s are 33, minus 1 power even, plus 1. So 32 power 32, which is nothing but 3K plus 1. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder 1, 4 power 3K plus 1 divided by 7. So 4 divided by 7, answer is nothing but 4. Answer is 32 power 33 power 34. Already we solved this question. 33, it is an odd number. It is nothing but 32 power odd number. 32 power odd number divided by 11. 11 threes are 33, which is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd number. Minus 1 power odd number is minus 1. So the positive remainder will be 10. So the positive remainder will be 10. Positive remainder will be 10. 12th question, it is an CAT exam question. CAT exam model question. CAT exam model question. Question, remainder 1, 15 power 23. 15 power 23 plus 23 power 23. 23 power 23 divided by 19. Divided by 19. You can solve these problems in multiple methods. The easiest method is 19 ones are 19 by using negative remainder concept. By using negative remainder concept, you can easily solve this question. Negative remainder concept. 19 ones are 19. Negative remainder is minus 4. Minus 4 power odd number. Minus 4 power 23. 19 ones are 19. It is plus 4 power 23. Minus 4 power 23 plus 4 power 23. What will be the answer? Answer for this question is 0. This question is an original CAT exam question. This is an original CAT exam question. Please, this question can also be solved by using another concept. A cube plus B cube. It is nothing but A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So, A cube plus B cube. 12 is nothing but 3 into 4. 3 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. That means A plus B is a factor of A plus B is a factor of not only A cube plus B cube, it is a factor of A power n plus B power n if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number, A plus B is always a factor of A power n plus B power n. A power n plus B power n. 15 A power n plus B power n. What is the power value? Power value is 23. 23, it is an odd number. So it is divisible by A plus B. 15 plus 23, it is 38. 38 is divisible by 19? Definitely yes. 38 is 2 into 19. So, A power n plus B power n, it is always divisible by A plus B if n is odd. A plus B is 15 plus 23, 38. So, if it is divisible by 38, it is also divisible by 19. It is also divisible by 19. 13th is an exam model question and 14th is also an exam model question. 13, 14. Today, entire class, we are going to discuss a singular concept, that is reminders, starting from a basic foundation to a level where you can eliminate the answer options. Everything we will discuss. 13th question. 7 power 52. Yesterday we discussed this question. Which power of 7 when divided by 2402, I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 7 power 4 is 7 square into 7 square. 7 square into 7 square is 49 into 49. 49 square is 2401. 49 square is 2401. So these are nothing but remainder of 2401 power 13 divided by 2402. Divided by 2402. 2402 ones are 2402. It is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. If you got a negative remainder, add it with the denominator to get the positive remainder. 7 power 4 is 7 square into 7 square. 7 square is 49. 49 square is 2401. So 2402 ones are 2402. Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. If you got a negative remainder, add it with the denominator. 14th, again an exam model question. This can be written as 17 twos are 34. Negative remainder is minus 4. Minus 4 power 40 divided by 17. Again, I am repeating it. Make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. 17 ones are 17. I will get 13. So when I am getting 4 is a relatively smaller value, so I will take minus 4 power 40 divided by 17. This is 4 power 40 divided by 17. These nothing but 4 power 40 can be written as 4 square power 20. 4 square power 20 divided by 17. 4 square power 20 divided by 17. 16 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power even it is nothing but plus 1. Minus 1 power even number it is nothing but plus 1. 17 twos are 34. Negative remainder is minus 4. Minus 4 power 40. Minus 4 power 40 is 4 power 40. 4 power 40 can be written as 4 square power 20 divided by 17. 4 square is 16. 16 by 17. 17 ones are 17. Minus 1 power 20. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Now